RPA lifecycle. 1. Discovery phase. We document the processes, analyze them, and understand the processes that can benefit from automation. The goal is to create a clear understanding of which processes are suitable for automation and the expected benefits. 2. Design phase. We create detailed process flowcharts, automation logic, and architecture diagrams. We make decisions about which RPA tools, technologies, and platforms to use. 3. Development phase. RPA developers write the automation scripts and configure the bots according to the specifications. Extensive testing is conducted to ensure the bots function correctly and handle exceptions effectively. 4. UAT phase. The automation is tested by end users to ensure it meets their expectations. Any issues or discrepancies are identified and resolved. 5. Deployment phase. This includes implementing bots into live operational processes. 6. Bot phase. The bots perform the automated tasks as defined in the automation scripts. Continuous monitoring and management are essential to ensure the bots operate correctly and address issues promptly. Remember, these phases are not strictly linear. RPA projects often involve iterative cycles of development, testing, and deployment. And after the initial deployment, RPA projects enter a continuous improvement and optimization phase.